Hey there, fuel enthusiasts. If you've just received a Shell gift card and you're eager to get it activated for 2025, you're in the perfect spot. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can start saving on gas or snacks in no time. Why bother activating it? Well, it's super important because an unactivated card is like a car without fuel, just sitting there unused. Plus, with 2025's updated digital features, activation is easier and more secure than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your Shell gift card. Flip it over and locate the unique 16-digit code or QR code on the back. Make sure it's scratch-free and readable. This is your key to activation. Next, fire up your smartphone, tablet, or computer and head to the official Shell website at shell.com/giftcards, or download the Shell app from your app store. The app is especially handy for 2025, as it uses facial recognition for faster logins. Once you're on the site or in the app, you'll need to create an account if you don't have one already. Just click on Sign Up and enter your email, a secure password, and maybe your phone number for verification. If you're already registered, simply log in. Now, navigate to the Gift Cards section. It's usually right in the dashboard. Here, select Activate a Card and carefully enter your 16-digit code. Double-check for any typos to avoid errors. After entering the code, the system will prompt you to verify your identity, which might involve a quick text code or email link. Once verified, hit Activate and voila, your card is good to go. You'll get a confirmation message on screen and possibly via email or app notification. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, like an invalid code, contact Shell customer support through the app's chat feature. They're available 24/7 in 2025. And that's it. You're now ready to use your Shell gift card at any participating station. Remember, always keep your card safe and check your balance regularly through the app. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Safe driving, everyone.